So I've just finished part one of restoring the saw. I cleaned all the rust off the blade using a wire wheel, some WD-40, and a Scotch-Brite pad. Now it is time to joint the saw. This is a jointer I made myself. By tightening this bolt, it applies pressure to this file, bending it slightly to match the curve of the saw. What you do is you place it on the teeth, and you go down the full length of the saw, and what it does is it makes all the teeth level. Why do you want the teeth level? Well, some teeth are sticking up higher than others. They're doing more of the work, and the saw won't cut efficiently. So once you see that little shiny spot on all your cutter teeth, you'll know that all the teeth have been hit and they're all level. The saw is now ready for filing.